Who you choose to be today is who you will become tomorrow. And who you will become tomorrow is who you will be forever. Welcome back. Today we're doing things a bit different. Today, let's not talk about loving ourselves or aiming for inner growth. Let's not talk about how we can build connections or improve self-worth. Let's not talk about the good habits that will make you a happier person or being grateful for things that are ever present in your life. Let's talk about closing people off, being a critic of everything wrong in life. Let's talk about taking everything personally and dreaming without taking any action. Let's write ourselves off completely. What's the point of trying to be better? Life feels meaningless anyway. So let's see the fastest way we can ruin our lives and choose unhappiness. Never take action. Dream big. Fantasize about a life filled with success, happiness, and purpose. Just make sure you never lift a finger to make it real. Picture yourself traveling the world, building a dream career, or finally feeling fulfilled, but let it end there. Consume endless motivational videos, books, and podcasts, filling your mind with knowledge you'll never apply. Let that knowledge sit unused until it transforms into a rot. Blame your circumstances, timing, or lack of resources, but never take responsibility. Convince yourself that dreaming is enough, that someday, somehow, things will magically fall into place without effort. Take everything as a battle. Turn every word, every glance, every silence into a personal attack. Live as though the universe has singled you out as its punching bag. If someone offers feedback, don't dare see it as constructive. Assume it's a veiled insult meant to tear you down. A friend cancels plans? Clearly they hate you now. A stranger doesn't smile back? Proof that the world is against you. Mold your reality around the belief that everyone's actions are designed to undermine you. Let overthinking and suspicion dictate your relationships, shutting down trust before it has a chance to grow. The idea that people have their own struggles or intentions? Forget it. Make their actions about you, always. Make everything in sword that's out there to slice you down. Build walls around you. Master the art of isolation. Slouch like the weight of the world is on your shoulders. Avoid eye contact as if connection might burn you. Perfect that body language that screams, "Don't talk to me." Make it your mission to repel opportunities for conversation, growth, or even a fleeting moment of human connection. Ignore the magnetic pull of curiosity. New people, places, and experiences are dangerous to your comfort. Stay cocooned in the familiar, even if it's suffocating. Reinforce that bubble of self-preservation by turning down invitations and dodging challenges. Keep the walls high and the doors locked. After all, who needs joy, learning, or connection? Indulge in harmful behaviors. Prioritize habits that drain your energy and erode your well-being. Stay up late binge-watching shows you don't even care about, convincing yourself you're unwinding. Let your body run on fumes from lack of sleep, fueling yourself with caffeine and sugar instead of actual nourishment. Skip meals or overindulge in junk food. Either way, keep your body in a constant state of imbalance. Ignore the gym, skip the walk, or better yet, convince yourself you're just not the active type. Let your muscles weaken and your energy dwindle. Feed your brain with negativity and empty distractions instead of ideas that empower you. Treat rest as laziness and treat effort as pointless. As your body weakens and your spirit dulls, convince yourself this is just how life is. Stay small, stay tired, and shrink into the background. Get lost in the screens. Let the screen become your best friend, your escape, your everything. Anytime you feel a twinge of discomfort or the slightest hint of boredom, reach for your phone like it's a life raft. Forget the world around you. Bury yourself in endless scrolling, mindlessly consuming a stream of other people's lives while yours slips by unnoticed. Silence the sounds of laughter, the rustle of leaves, or even your own thoughts with the hum of notifications and curated distractions. Become a master of avoiding reality. Who needs to face awkward silences or uncomfortable feelings when you've got a pocket-sized universe of content to numb it all away? Let time blur into an endless feed, your eyes glued to glowing pixels, your life dictated by algorithms. Stay locked in, stay zoned out, and stay disconnected. Criticism is the way of life. Turn nitpicking into your life's calling. Complain about the sun being too bright or too dim. It doesn't matter. It's never just right. The air, either too dry, too humid, or somehow just wrong. Let the small inconveniences of daily life consume you. Hear a bird chirping? Too loud. Become a connoisseur of discontent, finding flaws in everything from the way your coffee tastes to the way your neighbor speaks. Make complaining your soundtrack. Reject gratitude as if it's a foreign language, focusing instead on what's missing, wrong, or imperfect. Criticize the people around you for being too much or not enough. Give up on yourself. Convince yourself you're a lost cause. Believe every mistake, failure, or bad decision defines who you are. Let those inner voices tell you it's too late to change, too late to grow, too late to even try. Label yourself as broken beyond repair, a mess that no amount of effort could ever fix. Compare your worst moments to everyone else's highlights, using them as evidence that you'll never measure up. Tell yourself the story of failure so often that it becomes your identity. When opportunities arise, dismiss them. What's the point? Tell yourself you'll mess it up anyway. Turn down support, push away encouragement, and ignore small victories. They don't count because you've already decided you're not worth the effort. Settle into this narrative of hopelessness and watch as life offers less and less, until even you believe there's nothing left to fight for. That felt really depressing, didn't it? Now, honestly, tell me, how often do you do these things? How often do you do them unconsciously? Don't worry though, none of this is permanent. Every self-sabotaging pattern, every harmful mindset, it's all reversible. The beautiful, messy truth is that you're not stuck. You can choose something different. The fastest way to ruin your life is also the fastest way to wake up and realize you don't have to keep doing this. Because for every moment you close off, there's an opportunity to open up. For every time you take something personally, there's a chance to pause, breathe, and let it go. For every criticism of life, there's gratitude waiting to be noticed. And for every wish, there's a step you can take to bring it closer to reality. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Start with one connection, one positive action, one moment of self-kindness. Ruining your life may feel easy, but rebuilding it, piece by piece, moment by moment, is what will make it meaningful. Choose today. Choose better. Because the person you're becoming tomorrow is built on the choices you make right now. And that person, they're worth the fight. Always have been, always will be.